And how do organizations determine the right balance between CPU, GPU, and specialized AI accelerators for their Gen AI workloads?
I think this really starts with having a strong operations team, a solid set of SREs and platform engineers that can understand and delineate the different type of workloads. There's, of course, going to be the CPU heavy workloads. These are things like simple API processing or CI/CD type of workloads. These are, honestly, I'll call them undifferentiated because basically every Kubernetes related project is going to have them. These kind of workloads run on the most efficient compute possible, right? x86 instances, ARM-based processors like Graviton on AWS, use Spot instances for better price when possible. And then you get into some of the more advanced workloads, right? So training and inferencing. Here's where you'll want to leverage the best price performance instances, not necessarily the cheapest, but the ones that get the job done with the best performance. And so, of course, you can use NVIDIA GPUs on AWS. These are things that you can select with Carpenter, of course, our cluster autoscaler. You can tell it which workloads require which type of instances. So whether it's NVIDIA or whether it's an Inferentia or Trainium type instances that we talked about earlier, these are things you can configure. So I did mention that ops is critical here. So one of the things you can leverage is something like Amazon EKS Auto Mode, a new capability that we released on AWS. It's essentially going to take care of that operations layer for you, make things like keeping your clusters patched and secure automatically, keeping them upgraded more easily, and helping you manage various